guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Rebecca.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Me too. We're gonna be doing a challenge today. I got so many requests to do a soda challenge. It's been 2 years since I did the first one, so this is part 2 many years later.
Yes.
And this is the first time that we're doing like a challenge game together. Cookie also came to visit down here. So if you've never played the soda challenge before today, let me explain the rules. It's really easy. We're gonna be trying 10 different sodas, blindfolded, so we can't cheat. We have to guess the flavors. If you guess it right, you get a point. The person with the most points wins.
But what do they win, Ro?
See, Rebecca told me I had an update. You have to have a prize. I was like, the loser gets tased. I'm just kidding. I would never do that to you. I would never. But for real, the winner today is going to get to take over the other one's Instagram stories. So if Rebecca wins, she can have me say whatever she wants. I will have to say whatever she wants on my Instagram stories. And if I win, I'm gonna have you say whatever I want.
Yeah, I'll say anything.
Rosanna's the best baker in the entire world.
She's so amazing.
Oh, one more warning.
Oh no.
My boyfriend picked the soda flavors out, and these are not standard flavors that you can get at the grocery store.
Okay.
And he went try hard mode, so they're gonna be weird.
I don't trust
They're really
This
weird.
challenge just got harder.
Okay, let's do this.
Good luck, Ro.
Good luck to you, girl. We got
Game
this.
on.
Oh, I love these classic bottles. These glass bottles.
We're touching it. Okay.
Let me get my bottle opener. How do I? Oh, geez. Step 1 of the challenge. We got to open these bottles.
I love the Coke in a glass bottle.
I'm gonna smell it.
Okay. Oh, it's. Oh. Did you drink it?
No, I'm already starting to gag though, and I haven't even taken a drink yet. Okay.
Okay,
Are you ready?
yeah.
3, 2, 1, let's do it. It smells worse than it tastes, but it's still gross.
Okay, I'm gonna guess something.
It tastes like weeds.
Weeds? Is that your final answer?
Do you have an answer?
I have an answer.
And we'll yell it on 3.
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Pickles!
Oh, pickles.
I don't know.
It does. It's like old, nasty pickle juice.
Do we get to look?
Yeah, let's look right now. Let's take off our blindfolds and see how we did. Girl!
I got it!
That is a point for Rebecca. She is good at this game.
Oh, you wanna know why? Because I do not like pickle juice at all. But don't worry, it's pure cane sugar. Are you gonna have to go on your Instagram stories and brag about me now?
Not looking good for me right now. All right, are you ready for the second soda?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm gonna try to win this one.
Okay.
Okay. It's really hard to open. This whole top twist.
Yeah, you have the hard one. Maybe if you want to use this one, you can.
Okay, here we go. Let me take a smell.
Oh.
Oh, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna take a sip because I don't even know.
Okay.
Oh.
It's kind of sweet, right?
Yeah.
It's like a sweet root beer, but not root beer.
Yes.
Do you have a guess?
I think it's popcorn.
Popcorn?
You think so?
Well, you vote popcorn. I don't know.
It tastes like popcorn. Ready?
Oh,
1, 2, 3.
Caramel corn.
How do we do? Butter soda? That's why I thought it tastes like
It was kind of good
like buttered popcorn.
Yeah. That's kind of like a half point, but you're my competition, so I
don't get the point. We both don't get a point on that one. That was a tie. That was a tie. Tie game. 0 points, 0 points.
Okay.
All right, you ready for the next soda?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, here we go. I got the lid off.
Mine's been off. I've been smelling it.
This actually smells good.
I'm putting it in my mouth. I'm doing it.
All right, I'm tasting it.
Ooh. Oh.
I don't know what flavor that is.
Same. Do you think it has like a chocolatey taste or no?
Chocolate? What is this?
I don't know. The more you taste it, the grosser it gets though.
My taste buds have failed killed me, Rebecca. I don't even understand what is happening in my mouth.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. We have to say it. Okay.
What do you think it is?
I mean,
You got a hint for me? What do you think?
I think it's like
Collaborate a little bit on this one.
grape chocolate or something. I'm gonna say mine.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Creamy kiwi.
Grape chocolate.
It's
old?
pink.
No.
Peanut butter and jelly soda.
There's no peanut. Wait.
Does not taste like peanut butter and jelly
No.
soda.
No.
No shade to whoever made this, but does not.
Wait, I said chocolate grape. Think about it. What is our score right now?
It's
Rebecca has the only point.
I got lucky on the first one. Okay, bring on soda number 4.
all right. We've got it. Let's open this up. Ooh, let's taste. Smell.
Same kind of bottle.
Oh, I'm just gonna taste it because I can't figure out the smell.
It has like a throw up type. Oh, this has to be the worst. This tastes like medicine.
It's a fruit. It's a fruit.
I have
But
to.
it's creamy again. What is it, like fruit cream?
It just
What's
tastes
that?
like it tastes like cough syrup to me.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Creamsicle.
Cough syrup.
Watch your right. I'm just gonna lose this whole thing.
Orange.
It's orange. It's orange.
Dang, we weren't.
It's peaches and cream. All
But
of them taste
creamsicle
creamy.
is close. You can
Okay,
get a half.
oh, thanks, girl.
I can give you a half.
You can give me a half?
Yeah, because I'm still
I'm gonna
winning.
take it. Okay, I'll take that half a point.
Creamsicle is peaches and it's the same. Yet another fail, but Ro does get a half point because that was pretty close.
Woo!
Okay, number 5 is here. Let's do it. And by that, I mean find it.
Whoa, this is huge.
Whoa, how do we get this off?
Rebecca, you're closest a second ago.
I was.
What are you doing?
What just happened? Oh my gosh. I don't want to hit you.
What are you
And then
doing?
I'm lifting it up right now. These are fancy.
This is really, what is this?
Ro, you did say you wanted to be bougie, so. Oh gosh. It's sour.
Oh, that's a lemon. Lemon.
What would it be?
If you cut open one of those lemons I got on my lemon tree outside and took a bite, tastes like this. Oh gosh, I shouldn't tell you this. Nope, Rebecca, I didn't say that.
Wait, lemon?
Should I add something fun to it? Because this is a weird, like, it's supposed to be weird
Yeah.
flavors.
Oh!
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, sour
Lemon. Oh, sour lemon. You added a word.
Yeah, like a Sour Patch Kid. Because I went. It was
I
good.
just looked at mine.
What is it?
I almost guessed lemonade.
Okay, we both get points because we both picked lemon. Ding ding, point for each of us. This was hard.
So that one actually wasn't that bad, but I think it's time to get on to the next one.
Oh yes, bring out the next soda. Oh wait, we're back to that standard size. Oh god.
Oh, it's not good.
Oh my god, it tastes like gross apples. It tastes like it's trying to be a delicious apple cider, but it can't. It's like it just couldn't get there.
Is artificial flavor a flavor of soda that we can say? Because I feel like that's all, it just tastes.
It just tastes fake.
Uh-huh.
It's fake.
I think I know. I think I know what this might be, Ro. Tastes
Yes,
like
yes.
a grape otter pop.
Grape?
Yeah.
Give me yours. Do you have a different one? How are you getting grape?
Just try it.
Oh, girl, this is an apple.
This is definitely not apple, Ro. I'm very sorry. I think your taste buds are off for this.
Okay, okay.
I'm guessing otter pop.
1, 2, 3.
Grape otter pop.
Old apples. Oh my gosh, why are you guys laughing? What is
Wait! We did get the same one. I think my tongue is just. Wait, so she got it. Does that count? That kind of counts.
I got it half. Apple
like,
pie.
old
I didn't get the
apples.
pie. It does taste like an old apple.
True. There's definitely no pie, but y'all get your fixins.
This is not, girl. We have to cleanse our palate
Yeah.
right now because the senses.
I don't know. You still got it.
Okay, let's do this. Drink it, swish it around the mouth.
Water tastes so plain.
Ooh, it's 2-2. It's tied game right now.
Dang.
How many more do we have left?
4.
4 more to go. I'm so sorry.
Pressure's on. Okay, Ro, you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Number 7.
Okay, we've got a standard bottle.
Oh, it's up.
Oh, that's...
Got it.
It's just a very thick smell.
Maybe wood.
Oh, I know what this is.
You
I
do?
know- Oh, I know what this is.
What is it?
Yeah. Normally, Rebecca, I try to be helpful, but this game's too close. We're neck and neck here, and I know what this is because I know the difference between a quality and a trash one because I've had them both. That's all I'm gonna say.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna make a guess.
1, 2, 3, chocolate.
Burnt brownie.
Yeah.
You got it!
Chocolate. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna get a point
losing.
over here. I'm giving 1/2 point to Rebecca
For burnt
because
brownie?
brownies are chocolate. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh no. Okay, we've got the next soda. All right, let's smell it.
Okay,
Oh,
I'm okay with this. So far, I haven't tried it. but-
smells sweet.
Oh, it's sweet.
Lime butter.
Key lime pie.
Oh, that's it.
You think?
Agreed. I'm on board with you.
Well, once you said lime, then I was like, I know the pie for that.
And it's creamy.
It
It
is.
has to be, and we've had a lot of pie ones.
True. Are you leading me though? Are you
No.
trying to like lead me in the wrong
I
direction?
am being genuine.
Are we
on
gonna 3, 2, 1?
Yeah,
and then
3,
you
2,
say
1.
a different flavor?
And then I promise. Ready?
Okay. 3.
1, 2, or 3, 2. Are you?
3, 2, 1.
Key lime pie.
Okay.
See, I did it. Okay, let's see. It is.
I thought you were tricking me.
No, I did it. I swear. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we both got a point.
Now we know how to play this game. They're all
Yeah.
pie flavors.
Yeah, easy.
2 more, Rebecca.
I'm ready.
We got this. I love this. This is so close right now.
I know.
It is 4 to 3.5. It is just a 1/2 point difference. Oh my gosh, and Rebecca's already
I'm
starting.
serious. It game on, Ro.
Oh my gosh, okay.
This is This is number 9.
Yeah.
Oh no. Did
Sorry.
you drink
The
it?
fuzzy's winning my nose.
Oh, no.
I'm okay though.
Oh god. There's like so I went to the back of the throat and now it's like, it's tinkling. It's definitely sharp in the back.
I hate this flavor.
I can't even drink. I want to win this challenge so bad, but
This is disgusting. Did you get hot? Spicy.
oh my gosh, what if
Disgusting.
it's like jalapeno or something?
Oh my gosh, it's terrible. It tastes like spicy dirt. 1, 2, 3. Spicy dirt.
Jalapeno.
Disgusting. Ugh. It's orange? Wait, what?
Ew.
Buffalo wing soda?
Oh.
It was smoky and like dirty and hot.
It wasn't. It was definitely not a good one. But
I love buffalo wings and I didn't taste a buffalo wing.
no, like I thought I got it right. I didn't get a point.
We both didn't.
I know, but you're ahead of me.
This is it. This
Oh.
is the final soda. The final soda.
Oh my God.
Da-da-da-da.
Oh my god.
It all comes down to this soda, Rebecca.
You don't know I have my mask on. I can see that whole thing.
Really? The final soda.
This is it, Ro. Are you
Rebecca
ready?
made the best soda taster
Win
win this challenge.
and have to praise the other one on their Instagram. Come on, taste buds. Okay.
what is this?
I'm so nervous.
What is this?
Pies. What are some pies?
Is it a pie?
I don't know.
It's so weird because it tastes like lemon, but we already had lemon. So I think it's like,
You think it tastes like lemon?
yeah, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay, we've already done lemon, so maybe it's not lemon. It's maybe it's
Cream. Doesn't it taste like a
a cream pie? It's
Yeah.
a cream pie. Just one of those ones that clowns like just smack in your face. Uh-oh.
Do you know?
One more sip. It's just all this soda is making me burp so much.
Yeah, my tongue is numb.
Getting a really diluted lemon.
Oh,
and cream again. And cream. It's
Something cream, so it's butterbeer cream. Buttercream.
1, 2, 3.
Buttercream pie.
Going with the pie
Oh, I
trend.
feel
Disgusting.
dang, you were actually close.
Are you kidding? It is. It's a lemon meringue pie soda.
Do you know I used to work at a pie shop? I'm actually very disappointed in myself.
Look at it. It just looks like a watered down lemon.
Ugh.
Oh, well, I'm gonna do a half a point for this one because it's a cream pie.
Lemon, you get, yeah.
But I didn't officially guess lemon because I changed my mind. I was like, there's no
You had
way
it.
that it's gonna be that.
Wait,
What? What?
I'm a woman of my word.
Oh
Okay.
my gosh!
What do you want me to
I am
say?
taking over her Instagram account right now.
Hey Zam fam, so
Hey!
Ro is the best baker in the world.
The whole
and
world.
Her dog Cookie is so cute, cuter than Peanut.
Facts.
All right, you guys will get to see that on my Insta stories, and hopefully my dog talks to me after this.
One Peanut, if you're watching, I'm so sorry. I love you so much. You and little Blackjack, I just want to smooch your little and kiss your little faces.
A bet is a bet, though.
But anyways, a big thank you again to Rebecca. Thank you for playing this with
Thanks
me.
for having me.
This was so much fun, and I'm sorry I was so burpy.
I mean, I was too.
These were some weird flavors, you guys. Go check out her channel, subscribe, show her some love because she went through it today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Also, I'm gonna put a link down below to the video we did on her channel. We're gonna be doing these trust falls where we get really messy. We could get messy, I don't know.
I don't know.
Go check it out. All right, thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Bye. And if you'd like to watch more videos, you can click up here.
Ooh.
Or you can go up here. There, or there, or there, or there. Yes, yes.
Keep cookies
yes.
and cookies.
If I keep bouncing, I'm gonna burp again.